see the definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Here is example: I, she, he, it, they, you, your, we, me, her, him, his, many, them, us, my, our, this, that, these, those, etc. Now this is the example of pronoun. These are example of pronouns, and this is definition of pronoun. Now look at their uses of pronoun. Look at their uses of pronoun. Pronoun. Reneda lives in a haunted house. Here is a noun. We replace it with pronouns. And in this example, the word she. Here is she. In this example, the word she is a pronoun because it takes place of a person. Reneda, noun. Here is it is noun and it is pronoun because it is takes place of noun, so that we call pronoun. Okay, now see the more example of pronouns so we can understand betterly. Student, I hope you well aware of pronoun, so that let's see more example of pronouns so that you can understand betterly. So first question is, why we use pronoun? Why we use pronoun in place of noun? Because we use of pronoun because it helps to avoid its repetition. Now see the more example of pronouns so that you can understand betterly. Golu is fat. Now Golu is noun. We replace the noun in place of, we replace noun to pronoun. Golu is boy, so we can replace he. He is a fat. Golu is a boy, he is a fat. We can replace the noun by pronoun. He is a fat. The tree is green. It is a green. Rita is singing a song. She is singing a song. Boys are playing football. They are playing football. Reena and Shima are going to market. Going to market. Now they are in plural. We use plural pronoun. Here is pronoun. We use they because they are in plural form. They are going to market. Now here is the example. Ravi asks Meera if Meera wants Ravi's bag. Now we change here and write them again here. Ravi asks Meera if she wants his bag. Now see the types of pronoun. Types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun. Talking about these pronouns. Personal pronouns, possessive pronoun. So what is personal pronoun? First of all, see the definition of personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? A pronoun which stands for a person or thing is called personal pronoun. Here is example: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, us, them, her, him. Now look at their types. How many types of personal pronoun? Students, before before knowing the types of personal pronoun, first see the example of personal pronoun. Here is the example. They study in the same class. Here is the personal pronoun. She score well in it. Here is the personal pronoun. These are personal pronoun. He likes to play with them. He and them are personal pronoun. They, it, she, he, them. These are called personal pronoun. Student, here is the different types of personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, as I told you, personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns stand for three persons. Now talking about their persons, three types of. First person, personal pronoun has three persons. First person and second person and last the third person. First person, second person and the third person. Here is the person list. Person, first person, second person and third person. First person means who is first person? First person means a person who speaks themselves, means I, themselves. And second person spoken to means you. And the third person, who is third person? Third person talking about a person spoken of means other person, like that he, she. Here is the example of persons, different types of persons. They are also called personal pronoun. Like that, first person means I, me. Person means I, me, and here is their plural, we, us. Second person means you. Their plural is also you. And third person, he, she, it, his, him. And their plural person is they, them. So student, I hope you better understand of these examples. So now see their second types of possessive pronoun. So student, here is the definition of possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun are used to show that something belongs to someone and it is never placed before noun. Note down it. Here is the example of possessive pronoun. Example, this book is mine. Means it is belong to me, so that it is mine. The relation is book is with me, so it is mine. That bag is his. This dress belong to me. It is mine. This frog belong to my sisters. It is hers. These toys belong to us. These are ours. Now these toys belong to them. These are theirs. So student, I hope you will understand betterly through their examples of possessive pronoun. So stay happy and blessed. Thank you for watching.